Nowadays, customers' packaging requirements for products are getting higher and more complicated. While ensuring the stability, it also requires packaging to give more value to the product. All kinds of sheet boxes are increasingly favored by customers. Printing and packaging factories choose to use faster, more stable and more functional equipment to meet customer needs. KQ Cold Glue System adopts an advanced control system, fully electronically controlled 1/6 high-pressure piston pump and high-precision, high-pressure electronic spray gun, provide customers with contactless gluing. Cold glue guns adjust installation freely according to different product gluing position. KQ Cold Glue System can be installed on most of the photo gluer. Precision in positive or negative 1 mm at a speed of 500 meters per minute. Provide safe and stable gluing contact. For the final process of the box, fully electronically controlled 1/6 pressure piston pump offers stable glue transportation for the guns, equipped with international and advanced voltage regulator sensor, ensure the same size of the spraying glue on the box at a fast speed or low, advanced control system with main machine dialog mode, simplify the operation and easy to set up. Customers can set the length of the glue on the operation interface. According to their products, individual control of each gun can spray up to 8 segments of glue at the same time. Each segment of can be used for point and line interchange. Believe in China manufacture, believe in Keqi technology. KQ Automation Equipment Company. We're serious about every point.